Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about interjections. Huh? What are interjections? Interjections are words used to express strong feelings or sudden emotions, such as joy, yippee, pain, ouch, content, okay, love. Fright, confusion, huh? Anger, surprise,
Wow!
relief, satisfaction, yum, tiredness,
Phew. 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 Phew.
playfulness, boo, thoughtfulness, disapproval. Interjections may stand alone or form part of the sentence. For example, yippee! It's finally summer. Or, yippee! It's finally summer. See the difference? Interjections often begin sentences, but they may appear in the middle or end as well. For example, oops! I almost slipped. I love summer, but oh my gosh, it's so hot. I'm just glad our exams are over. Phew. An interjection is often set off from the rest of the sentence by an exclamation point or a comma. An exclamation indicates strong emotion. A comma indicates mild emotion. For example, ouch! That hurts! Ouch! That hurts.
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's practice. Select the interjection that suits each sentence.
Complete the mission.
Shoo! Achoo! Aha! I hope I'm not getting sick. Which interjection is appropriate? Time's up. The answer is today's lunch tasted awful. Yum! Yippee! Yuck! Time's up. The answer is yuck. I think I have been burnt. Yay! Ouch. Time's up. The answer is ouch.
Wow!
Shut up!
The answer is G. Blah. Oops! I'm so sorry. What's the answer? The answer is
Oops.
are so dramatic.
Boo-hoo!
Boo! The answer is
Boo-hoo!
Oh la la.
nah, I don't drink. Which interjection is the answer? The answer is nah, I don't drink.
Psst.
Yikes! Yum! This is so delicious. Which interjection is appropriate? The answer is yum. Great job, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye bye bye.